morning guys, welcome to a beautiful day here in rural Morocco. So today we're actually outside of Marrakech, so I landed in Marrakech last night and I've actually come out to a place called the Ouzoud, I think it's called the Ouzoud Waterfalls. Yeah, we're going to head around, I think it's about 3.5 hour tour in total. Yeah, it should be fun and hopefully take you guys along with me. Unfortunately, as I will say up front, no drone shots, they had to take it away from me at customs, so yeah, luckily I'll getting it back when I fly back in a few days, so hey, that's gonna be fun. So let's go explore rural Morocco.
You don't have to worry if you're good enough. You'll be sitting pretty while they talking tough. Guess they never knew that you were made for this. You're dangerous, dangerous. Fighting till the end when it's getting rough. Bringing all you got and never giving up. Guess they never knew that you were made for this. You're dangerous, dangerous.
So do you want to tell people at home where the name Ouzoud comes from, for those who haven't heard of it?
Ouzoud, you know, there is like three significations. The first one, people said that Ouzoud means olives because the main income for the locals is olive oil. The second signification, you know, it was in the past, the only manner how to grind like flour, it was like in the top of the falls because there's some meal, it works with water. So the flour, we call it izid. And the last signification, it means, Ouzoud means like delicious in Berber, because it's very delicious to come here, because there is the water, there is the fruits, there is figs, there is pomegranate, there is everything you need. So it's very delicious to come to Morocco, to come to Ouzoud. Ouzoud means izid, and in the whole Morocco is izid, ihla, ishwa.
What would you say is the one reason people should come here versus like Marrakech or the stereotypical
One reason
stuff?
to come here to chill out, to relax.
To get away from the sea, yeah. I can agree with that, guys, because
Yeah,
it's definitely something that it's a lot quieter than Marrakech, because that is way too much torture.
So let's share a toast, I'll pull you close and take a moment to be silent. Stand on our chairs like we don't care, then you and I will shout like lions. Catch your flicker in the night, see it dancing in your eyes, feel the breaking of the light.
Pretty exciting seeing it for once, because a few years ago I had no idea they actually existed, but now I'm here.
Don't you lose yourself tonight. You are infinite. We can be infinite.
So that was it, that was the waterfalls, and they were really cool, and really just to see the power of them. And now apparently I'm going to go see some monkeys, so that's kind of a recurring theme on this trip, because like I saw monkeys over in Japan, then I saw them again in Gibraltar, and I guess now I'm going to see them here. Man, when you just look at that view, it's just so awesome. I mean, the one thing I'm sad about this trip is I don't have the drone with me. Yeah, to give you a little backstory, drones are actually illegally banned here in Morocco, so when I came to customs I actually had to declare it, and luckily they just took it off me for the weekend, and they're going to give it back to me when I go fly again. But that also means I can't fly around here. I mean, that looks so ideal, doesn't it? Like, just take off from there, whoop, whoop, and I would have gone off into the distance, but sadly that's not the case today, and it's going to be fine. Also, these rascals still here, they probably would have stolen it by the time I'm taking off, so yeah, it probably wouldn't have been a good idea to fly a drone in this area. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, brothers.
So if people want to find you, where do they go?
Come in Ouzoud and ask for Hamid, the tour guide, the professional tour guide.
Yeah.
Okay.
You heard it here. Here's Hamid.
You're welcome.
Best tour guide.
I'm here to give you a good day, spicy with some Berber humor.
Yeah. And as we say in Morocco, inshallah.
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 See you tomorrow. See you next time.
Don't you lose yourself tonight. You are infinite. We can be infinite tonight.
Hey everyone, just wanted to come back in at the end just to give a little mention, say thank you so much for watching this whole series. It's been an absolute amazing pleasure to create this and share it with you guys, and really give this series the send off it deserves, because this is the last episode. I thought I'd give it a little wrap up to everything.
To the addicts and depressed, lonely and the bully, to the lovers in distress, the ugly and the beauty, to the sick, to the poor, to the tall, to the short, to the black and to the white, to the left and to the right, to the godless and the holy, to the rich down to the lowly, the queens and the kings, prostitutes and the pimps, to the rags and the crowns, to the wars on our grounds. Let go if you dare, you're alive, I'm alive, we're
I hope to see you in my future content in 2018, and hope you enjoy this. So, and I'm signing off for 2017, the last video, and yeah, so hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.